What's up guys, welcome to another video. First of all, I have a surprise for you because we got a first look of a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yesterday we reported on the design of the Samsung Galaxy S21. This new S series smartphone is not expected until January 2021. Still, the first product renders have already appeared online, showing that the device will have a newly designed camera system at the rear. New information now shows that the top model Galaxy S21 Ultra will also have a new camera layout. This camera island is getting even bigger. Professional Steve Hammerstuffer from the OnLeaks yesterday shared a revealing information about this 21. 2 hours after his message on the Twitter and Voice, he also posted the first look of a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the new top model of the 2021 S series. In general, the two devices are very similar. Likely there are also a number of clear differences. To start with the screen, the Galaxy S21 will have a flat OLED display with a size of 6.2 inch. The Ultra model will have a rounded screen which is also a significantly larger, like it is a 6.8 or a 6.9 inch screen. For comparison, the S20 Ultra also features a 6.9 inch screen. Previously, Samsung always provided the Note series with the largest display sizes. This year, the first changes was made because the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra got a slightly smaller 6.8 display this year. It is possible that the S21 Ultra will also have a 6.8 inch screen next year. This makes the device slightly easier to operate with a one hand. As for the selfie camera, Samsung again seems to be opting for a century place hole punch camera. No information is yet known about the resolution of this camera. The camera system at the rear has a significantly larger design than the basic model. Four cameras are visible. Likely it concerns a wide angle and an ultra wide angle lens with the two telephoto lenses in addition. This time, the flash is included in the camera island. With the S21, it is placed next to the camera system. The most remarkable addition that has been rumored for some time now is the S Pen. Samsung has been equipping its Note smartphones with an S Pen for years. This stylus pen is constantly being improved and there are more and more compatible applications to use. In recent years, the differences between the Note and the S series have narrowed. Samsung would like to continue this trend by introducing the S Pen for the first time within the S series next year. If this turns out to be true, then likely only the Ultra model will be made compatible with the Samsung stylus. Unlike the Note series, Samsung doesn't seem to choose to make a slot for the S series to store the stylus. This may also mean that the S Pen will only be offered as an optional accessory. The stylus is supplied as a standard with the Galaxy Note. As for the processor, the new Samsung Exynos 2100 chipset will probably be used for the Samsung S series models. We hope that the standard storage capacity will be increased to the 256GB instead of a 128GB. All the more so because the memory cannot be expanded with the memory card. The working memory is standard 12GB. This will likely remain unchanged. No changes are expected in terms of the battery capacity. The Galaxy S20 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery, which will also be found in the S21 Ultra model. However, the fast charging technology is reportedly being taken to a new level. The current Ultra model supports 45-watt fast charging. A slower 25-volt adapter is included as standard. With the S21, Samsung seems to want to increase the 65-watt charging. It's all over. It is the first exclusive look of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So if you want to see the video about the Samsung Galaxy S21, link are given below. So before going to anyway, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.